this video, we'll talk about what it means to declare a class with the final keyword. Now, at the moment, I've got a parent class, and that parent class has got a public method called a method, and it's printing out a message to when the method's called to the user. The message says called from parent. The child class extends the parent class, and it tries to override that a method, and it changes the message to called from the child. The driver program has got two objects. Now, the first object is an object made from the parent's class. The second one is made from the child class. And then using the parent's object, we try to call the method. And then using the child object, we try to call that same method. But because this method has been overridden by the child class, then this version will be called. And so what it should print is the first call should really be this one, and the second should be this one. Let's run the program and see what we get. So indeed, we got the call from the parent the first time because we use the parent's object. So it will only call methods that are sitting in the parent class. Now, for the child class, it will check if there is a method overridden in the child class. If there is, it will call that one. If there isn't, then it will also call the parent's one. So if I actually comment all of this out and save, the program won't complain, but instead both parents' versions will be called. So both called from the parent. Let's undo and save. Now let's talk about what it means to declare a class with the final keyword. It pretty much final means that it cannot be changed. So what that means, if we make this parent class final, it means that it can no longer be extended, because final means it cannot be changed. It also means it cannot be extended, because extending that class, there's a possibility that the child would change or override the parent methods. So how would we make a class final? So to make a class final, place the final keyword right after the access modifier of the class that you'd like to make final. So for instance, we'd like to make this class final. Right after the public access modifier, we type in the keyword final. We also notice how the Eclipse changes the color to some color and indicating that it's actually a keyword. Now I'm going to save, Control S, and as soon as we save, we get an error here that says, if you hover the mouse over the error, it says the type child cannot subclass the final class parent. So this means this class is no longer extendable. So this whole thing is not possible anymore. So I hope this helped you with understanding what it means to declare a class with the final keyword, and stay tuned for the next video. We'll speak about what it means to make a method final. So stay tuned.